What is up, guys? Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's not too windy. You can see behind me the box jump isn't quite done yet, so today the plan is to hopefully get that done. So let me show you what all I have left to do and what I got accomplished the other day, and hopefully by the end of this video I'll be riding this thing. So got done with the building portion. All the wooden part is as done as it's gonna get today. What I ended up doing was using this OSB off of that pallet. So I got all these main beams from, and I also used some pallet slats to reinforce this thinner piece of plywood here, and that got me down almost all the way to the ground. And then the last thing I did is I put these, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna fill this all up with dirt to get this transition nice and smooth at the bottom, because right now it's pretty steep, and it would not be a smooth transition. So those are to just kind of try and keep most of the dirt inside the middle of the ramp there, as opposed to all falling off the sides. Should save me a little bit of dirt, but that's what we're gonna go do now. I also have to clean that whole run up and make a nice smooth run up again, because I've been ripping around on the old four-wheeler, tearing it all up. So gotta do that, and then should be able to hit this thing hopefully later on tonight. So this thing is about ready to hit now. Got the dirt all in there, packed down with the quad pretty good, and I just put these to cover this little corner here, just temporarily. This whole thing's pretty much temporary, but yeah, run-up's all cleared out. Had to fix a spot that there's a hole in the run-up from the dogs. But yeah, she's ready to hit now. Just gotta find a good spot to put the camera, and we'll get right to it.